What is going on, my lovely people? So today I wanted to go over something pretty cool. A few weeks ago, we launched a new feature called Actions, basically. And Actions gives you the ability to perform actions inside of social media platforms. For example, liking a post, commenting on a post, following people, producing a post, so on and so on, right? And we initially started with X, and we're rolling out Substack, YouTube, Instagram, Threads, and so on. And I wanted to see if I could get some outbound going on X, because I feel like it's heavily underutilized from a GTM perspective. And so today I'm going to show you the exact flow that I've been doing over the past 3 weeks. I'm going to build it with you live. But for context, I've been getting on average around 6 meetings or 6 signups to our platform a week from this particular flow that I'm going to build with you today, which is massively blown the expectations that I actually had for X in the first place. So let's dive in. The first thing that I did was created this Claude Code marketing search, social listening search. So you can see here, we've got all the posts coming in. Now, I didn't do anything fancy, really. Just, again, Claude Code and marketing as the keywords. No kind of language or location filters. Just kept it pretty broad deliberately for this purpose. And then we basically have gone ahead and we built a workflow. So I'm going to build it live with you so you can actually just copy this for me. So you can see here, I built one in the past, which is the one I'm running. We just use the same title. And we're going to go ahead and select the search. So I'm going to go find Claude Code and Marketing Skills X. Here we go. So now the first thing that I want to do is I want to basically use an agent node. And here I'm just going to use 4.6, sorry, the Sonnet 4.6 model. And we're going to say, is this post talking about using Claude Code for marketing or GTM reasons, and is positive about how it's powerful, etc. Right? And then we're just going to add the post text in from that Twitter post. Reply if true, if so. All right, I'm just going to change that to said Boolean. Okay, cool. So now we have that. So we're just going to build a cheeky little if node off the back of that. And basically, if the agent's output equals true, then we're going to move on to this next flow. So now the next flow, you've got 2 options, right? And I've actually gone down. Let me bring them up here for you. So we can do a few different things from within the X like actions. So the first thing that we need to do when we look at this is we need to think, what route do you want to go down? You can basically either say, okay, hey, I'm actually going to DM people. And that's the one that I've been testing recently. But I'm also going to start testing replying to specific posts. Right, so it's like automating the reply. And it could be something as very, very simple as, love what you're pitching here. You should go ahead and check out the tool that I built, Trigify, which gives agents context around what's going on social, for example. That's one route, or obviously you can go down the DM route. Now, if we're going to go down the DM route, what I would suggest is we build like another agent node into here. And you can say, this person posted about this. I'm going to add in the post text. I'm about to send them the following DM. Hey, just saw your post about X. Check out. My message is a little bit better than this, but you get the gist. Check out Trigify. We enable Trigify, a tool I built, gives your agents access to every social media channel via API. Via API and CLI. Okay, so then I'm going to say you need to fill in the X blank. Right, there we go. So you need to fill in the X blank. We're going to use Sonnet here because I feel like that's one of the best models. Keep your response to only that. So I can take it and insert into a message. Cool. Add to workflow. And then what we're going to do is we can just go ahead and test this. Test that workflow. This is now running. What's really cool as well, I didn't actually do a post about this, but we've just updated our logs. So the output is a lot cleaner now. Previously, it was like kind of a traditional kind of log kind of viewpoint, which is pretty crap because you can't really get in-depth insight into what was going on. And also it's really hard to debug as well from this. So here we go. So that's really nice. Building a SaaS with no code. Okay, so now what we're going to go do is we're going to look up the user because we need to get their username, their ID. So we're going to do that to look up the user. And then what we're going to do from here is we're then going to send a DM. Select the account. And then we can get the ID from the lookup there. And then we could insert the message. So if we were going for, let's leave without saving that. If we were going to go for this message here, which was, hey, there we go. I would just copy and paste this across. And I would just insert the variable from the agent step, which was step output 1. Oh, there we go. And then add to workflow. Cool. And so that now is basically everything that you would do. You can get rid of that false branch. You don't need that there. That's fine. And let's add that. Select the right accounts. Just add the ID. I think I did that and hit save. There we go. All sorted. Now this workflow is going to run basically whenever someone posts about that Claude code, it then uses these agent steps combined with actually reaching out, and then we'll send them a direct message. Now, what's cool is I'm going to go down the commenting route as well, because sometimes, if the channels are private or whatever, you can't get through. So if you're leaving comments and things like that, it's also, again, don't, AI slop it massively. But again, just provide value in there. You could even do it where you DM and then you do like an approval and then it kind of triggers another workflow and so on and so on. But this is working really well. In fact, better than some of the LinkedIn automation systems that we've done in the past as well. So check it out.